Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to add a level up system to your Gorilla Tag fan game. So the first thing you want to do is go down into the description and there will be a Discord invite to my Discord, and there you want to get the level up system script and just import that to your Unity project by either doing import new asset or just dragging it in. And then you want to make another monitor or wherever you want to put your level up text. Make another monitor, put some text down, add a component, add the level up script, and then you want to drag in your text. Here you want to choose how much XP you want per second, and base XP required means how much XP you want the person to. So for level 1, this is how much XP you'll need, and then it will just go up by a certain increment by each level. So for me, when you start it, I'm level 6 and you can see how it's going up, and it shows how much XP I need until my next level. So hopefully this helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye.